Hello students, welcome to another video of geography today. Today we will discuss about our atmosphere, the layers of our atmosphere and the function of our atmosphere indeed. First we will see what is the atmosphere. It is the layer of gases that surrounds our earth and they are held by the gravity of the planet and they are very essential for life on the earth. So, why they are essential? They provides the air we breathe. They protects us from the harmful solar radiation. The harmful solar radiation gets absorbed in the atmosphere. Also, they regulates the Earth's temperature to maintain the life on the Earth. And they are also responsible for weathering and erosion process or climate change on the Earth. So, atmosphere is very essential for the life on the Earth. The main layers of the atmosphere are the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, and thermosphere and exosphere. These are the five main layers. We will discuss them one by one in details. First comes the troposphere, which ranges from 8 to 15 kilometers, and it is the lowest layer where the weathering occurs. The weathering like the fog, the cloud, the hailstorm all occurs in the troposphere level, and temperature decreases with the altitude in troposphere level. As we go high, the temperature decreases. Aviation activities take place in the troposphere level. That is the takeoff of aeroplane and all the aviation activities are carried out in the troposphere level. Then comes the next layer, that is the stratosphere, which ranges from 15 to 50 kilometers, and they contain ozone layer. And this ozone layer absorbs the UV radiation, which is very harmful for life. And the aeroplane moves in the lower level of the stratosphere. The aviation activity takes place in troposphere, but the aeroplane moves in the lower level of stratosphere. And the temperature increases with altitude. Why? Because of the presence of ozone which absorbs the UV radiation. So, because of the presence of ozone, the temperature of stratosphere increases with the altitude. Then comes the mesosphere level, which ranges from 50 to 85 kilometer. The meteoroids burn up in the in this layer while entering from the space. We know sometimes the meteoroids from the which is the celestial body uh, enters into our atmosphere by the as they are pulled by the gravity of the earth, but while entering they burn up, and they burn up in the mesosphere level with the gases present in mesosphere. So meteoroids burn up in mesosphere level. The temperature of mesosphere level decreases with increase of altitude. Why? Because of there is the absence of ozone. So the temperature decreases with the increase of altitude in mesosphere. Then comes the thermosphere level, which ranges from 80 to 400 kilometers. It is also known as ionosphere due to presence of ions and free radicals. This layer helps in radio transmission. Very important. This layer helps in radio transmission. International Space Station orbit in the thermosphere level, and all the aurora activities. This is also important. Occurs in the thermosphere level. What is aurora? We know aurora borealis, aurora australis, the northern lights, the southern lights. These are called auroras. And how they occurs? These are the pattern of dynamic lights is shown in the picture. These are the patterns of the dynamic lights when the ions of the solar wind triggers magnetic storm while they comes in contact with the oxygen and nitrogen of Earth's atmosphere. They forms the magnetic storm, and this displays beautiful colors on the sky, and these are called auroras. And aurora borealis is seen in the north pole, and the aurora australis is seen in the south pole, and these are also known as northern lights and southern lights. We can see the auroras in the polar region. So this is all about the thermosphere level. Then comes the exosphere level, which is the outermost layer of the atmosphere, and this extends up to 960 kilometers, and it gradually fades into the space. And some light gases are present in the exosphere level, that is the helium, the hydrogen. They float in this layer, and if this level is the transition between the atmosphere and the space. So this acts as the transition into the outer space. So this is all about, this is the fifth layer, and this is all about the atmosphere of Earth. We will discuss the weathering and erosion process on Earth in details in my next video. This is all for today. Thank you.